Of course, the tri-state's connections to Florida are very strong, and a lot of folks are coming from there to here.
We are bringing you a live report from the storm zone coming up in just a few minutes. But we begin tonight with Pix 11's Eliezer Marte. He is live at Newark Liberty Airport, where people fleeing Florida are still arriving.
Yeah, that's right. Good evening to you both. The clock is ticking for all of those people evacuating Florida. Now, for those that have made it to the tri-state area, they say they are happy and they feel lucky to be out of the way of the storm. As thousands of people in Florida are rushing to get away from Hurricane Milton, expected to make landfall on Wednesday.
Time to get out as soon as we can, and we booked the first flight out via Spirit.
Many came back home earlier than expected, like Dylan, who was in Orlando for a work conference. He lives in Hamilton, New Jersey.
We were supposed to be there until tomorrow night, 9 o'clock, but due to the storm, the hurricane, we had to get out now.
Were you worried that you were going to be stuck in Orlando?
Yeah, or else we were afraid the airports are shutting down.
Tampa International Airport stopped all flights at 9 a.m. Tuesday. And in Orlando, all operations will shut down Wednesday morning at 9.
The airline we originally booked with, they said that we wouldn't be able to get a flight until like Friday or Saturday.
With multiple canceled flights, getting on a plane was a sigh of relief for Haley Peterson. She landed at LaGuardia Tuesday afternoon.
I was able to grab the last ticket out. And I'm thankful that, that I have the means to be able to travel here, where I'll have a place to sleep, I'll have electricity.
Whether by car or by plane, it is a race against Milton.
Just seeing everybody trying to get out at the same time.
As the catastrophic hurricane is expected to cross central Florida with winds of 165 miles per hour and to dump as much as 18 inches of rain.
So we were on Palm Bay just visiting a family of ours for a few days. Actually, it's week 16, but we rushed out on Tuesday, so we were kind of lucky before the airport closed.
And for those that have purchased tickets to Florida, even if those tickets are after the hurricane passes through, airlines are asking customers to make sure that nothing has changed with those flights and to call the airline if needed. At Newark Liberty International Airport, I'm Eliezer Marte, Pix 11 News.